Big up Crosses TV.
Crosses TV, me name over here, you know.
Clot bun down. Cause the cockroach we are taking refuge and I need that blood clot. Not even road spray can help blood clot them. I who trouble Unuh. I who trouble nothing. I who trouble no. But tell you all of me never my face and still can't blood clot style me. All of me never my face and still can't style me. Cause the great Bobby Spender from Big Spender family always tell me I know all money are good blood clot money. You never know say your $100 did I put to the side figure about that blood clot. You hear that? You hear that? You never know that put back to the side. Eh? You never know that put back to the you never know that put to the blood clot side. Eh? You know so fast it rake up back gear. Cause I know me don't hear it. You know so fast it rake up back gear. Eh? Eh? You know so fast it blood clot rake up back gear. You hear that girl? You know so fast it rake up back gear. Cause I know let me tell you, you say all along when more time, you know to me not feel like cause I say Johnny you know so well come from Florida. You don't look how we are. But I know more never lie. Me know more never lie. But you me just want to live down thing. Then one news man come now. One news man come now are you again? Eh? One news man come now are you again? Eh? 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 Then Booba say, if you dash out your picture now, when they mash up your face. Someone if you dash out your picture now, when they mash up your face. When they beat your blood clot right over there, so. Yo, you know, girl beat me in a Florida, mama. You know, say Alvania go and me not answer Vani. She didn't have a state. Me not the internet badness with no girl. Me not talk to the blood clot judge. Me not internet badness with no girl. Because when the tracing, when it come one part of the tracing, when it don't reach one part, where I lick in her face. And that's my badness now. I saw my badness work. And I and then we done and tomorrow morning, we turn on again like no. No! No! I look in her face, my badness there. And a fingertip badness. I want me deal with your wicked over Facebook. On the report my page. I try to get my name. You are trying to get my fucking name. For to lock me up. I will never get my name. That's why me avoid you. Because I know say, your badness there police station. So me avoid you. Me know the badness there police station. So me avoid you know. Actually, me never want to know my name. Me never have me put my son name in on the Facebook. Karim Sadu. Me have that right for about 2 years. Because I couldn't catch my blood clot name. I be a beat them girl I get mama. Them girl no win no fight boy. She knows part me there. She knows part me there. The same place where I face tear off, I out them there. The same place where I face tear off, I out them there. I feel me ends this, I feel me headquarters this. The first time she come out here, she see me out here. Look, where the camera there? I feel me place this. Where the camera there? See that, I feel me place, she know me there. Well, I'm gonna take off this. I feel me place this, you know what I mean? She know what I mean? She know what I mean, man? She not gonna like the plaza, yeah? And the plaza here tear for her face, she know what I mean? I don't hide from people, you know, see me go to court every day. You know, see me get up and go to court every bumbo clock there. See it here, she know what I mean? She know what I mean? She know where I'm at. She know me there. I feel out of her face tear off. She know me there. She know she want me there. Out of them tear off her face. She know me there. She know me there. No, around there, so I'm going to get one. A Ladell me there. I don't live a Ladell, but I always a Ladell at my place. I come get me little weed and something over here, so Ladell at my place. Oh, you want to see pick? She not piss me off that bad. When she piss me off that bad, you don't see the pick. She just hold back her money and go on. Hold back your $100, mama. No $100 girl. No $100 argument with no girl. Tokyo. She not piss me off that bad. She know where I'm at. She can't come out here. She know me there. What about extra? She know me there. Yet you see me out of Peter. She know me there. She know me there. She just come try talk. Because she know what me do her bad over here. Because the way me deal her up on Facebook, she cry. I mean, I want to go back down that road, mama. You know me ramp rough, mama. Stop playing, yo. You know me ramp rough. Me tell myself that me now come at IG with a dirty behavior, mama. Me tell myself that me now come at IG. Me have too much responsible people over here. And me tell myself me now come at IG with the dirty behavior. Me tell myself that. Me now come at IG with the dirty behavior. See there. See the corner there. See it here. See it here, Outer Plaza. Not now go out with you, I'll be here chatting. Me can't tell you no. She gifted for chat. She'll come out here now. Come chat out her way now for me start make nice. Yeah. She also come now for me talk for start make nice. You see me? Them can't egg her when them want egg her and she now come out here can't do it not no. When she go out to the people in place and them chop on her blood clot, she want like the people and it never happen. So me know she part them thing that them badness stop a police station. You see me? Get what kind of bat? Them badness stop a police station, them now control them nothing out here. If them all come out here, them all come for me keep quiet and behave myself. Nothing else now going out here. Them just so come out here and beg me for stop and beg me for behave and try to talk out. Nothing else nothing. You can stand up right just until tomorrow morning. Charge your phone and recharge and stand up your and don't move. And nothing happen. Them bad is their police station. Them bad is their police station. Them bad is their police station. No, I mean, I look out, me I try like me split. Look out for what, now idiot? You like you don't know who not deal with. You think I'm me like the rest of them make me nice by internet? Ask anybody a flat about me. You think me I want to make nice by internet? Y'all ain't got no sense. You think me I want to make nice by internet? Oh, what think I nice I don't make? Oh, no blood clot stay there. What think I nice alone? We can't see us a whole day, whole night, nobody now pull up. You think I nice about internet this? Oh, stay there. You must think I'm nice upon blood clot internet this. Yeah, me get fat though. We get fat though. You think I'm nice about internet this? Eh? Everybody egg up, them now go push her. Them now go push her. Them can't push her all them want. She make the loudest night. It's my badness stop on internet. So I think I internet blood clot badness. So no mad. Hold back your $100, mama. Me a $100 girl. Hold back your $100. Now come give me $100 and go like you want to sell. But hold back that blood clot. Fold it up neat and put it in a little side pocket. Mad. You got chattings. Every day, yeah, somebody catch up on internet. I'll never make them the part. Oh, Cashqueen chat, Nikki blast. Chat me say what? Lift up, man. Love me, man. Love me now, man. You know, your chat me say, I'm going to wear good drawers. Whoever chat me say, me, I gotta wear good drawers all day, every day. We wear good drawers and the good drawers. Them. Whoever chat me, we wear good drawers, girl. I mean, I wear drawers for you. We wear good drawers, good drawers. Good drawers all day, all night. All day long, we wear good drawers. Chat, bro. So I skirt me about, because I'm not to take off this idea. And I'm not to drop this ground today. And ground it to reach to you, man. And then see stay all the way. And it does stretch out. And I look about a little bit of everything. Come on, what is this? Blood clot, look here, I am. What is this? Blood clot. Mad people here today. They are mad blood clot Friday, you hear that? I'm mad. Some blood clot, girl. I'm tired of you now, man. Tired of you. I'm a husband, I'm stressed. I'm here, so the bad don't need that stress here. Tired of you now, man. I'm here, so the bad don't need that stress here. Here you come. Bumbo clot here, man. Tired of you now, man. All my country, man. Fuck here, man. Some girl, man. Bumbo clot here, man. To your man, think got shot in this bumbo clot. Sure. Some girl, man. Woman! Bumbo clot. Woman! Bumbo clot. You think got shot in this bumbo? Tired of you know, man. Eh? No people are fuck with my nerves. I see wear good drawers. Eh? Eh? See some wear good blood clot drawers. I want to know, man. I want to know. I want to know. Sure. You think I swap shop badness this blood clot? Because I'm not for drop this skirt and I can't wait for go grub at any time. Any blood clot time that skirt I'm ready to drop a grub. Any day, any time. Bumbo clot, you know. I'm telling you, I don't want that stress here, you know. I don't think I joke to you like a chatting. You don't want that stress here, you know. You don't want that blood clot stress here. That me I tell you, you don't need that stress here. You don't need a blood clot stress that you ever walk with. You don't need this. All your $100 just go on. That me I tell you right now. Just all your $100 and go on. You know, in this a blood clot. Just all your $100 and go on. Oh. Then I want the next. You know, want the next ticket mad girl run out for you. Just all your $100 and go on, mama. All your $100 and go on, girl. Stop perplex my blood clot. Really, every day are you. Go on, man. You have to do all of my battle, man. Go on, man. Go on, man. Every day are you. Go on, man. Bumbo clot. You have to do all of my battle. Fuck you feel like. Give people that try to be decent. Give people that try decent, you know. And I try to make the people at IG feel like me is one decent blood clot drunk. You make me have to draw the real drunk out of me. So bumbo clot, man. Sure. People I go in here, I never go to the airport go pick up my daddy. I never go to the people in the hotel go bed. I go pick up my father. I find the airport. So I know I not get to misbehave for me because daddy I go there. So I just go and deal with the thing. You know what I mean? Where Mama name again? Mama, I live too far from my war there right now. I go war with people in my state and I can't catch up with. I don't know how long this start war, Mama. Mama, I don't know how long this start war. I don't have no nuclear, Mama. Yeah, I'm going to tell Daddy I. You see me? I don't have no nuclear, so I can't do the long distance. I don't have no nuclear, Mama. You see me? But I'm in my state, but I can't catch up with you now. All a stinking pussy one day at Georgia, she going to eat up in the sun and chat. She will just pop up in my blood clot state and give me the same energy. And this thing I can't do a blood clot town. Look at town more I carry now. Look at town. Humble clot. And my phone keep on a drop. No, I'm not on nuclear more, so I can't do no blood clot internet war. I have a war hoodie on my foot. I can't do no internet war. I'm not on nuclear. So I can't war them when them not state. I can't bother. Because it reach one part where you're licking a blood clot face. Every day I see the wall on there, war, no. It will reach one part where you're licking a face, virgin. I'm going to try to come from 13, I come from another no holy patch chattings. But I would just lick people in their face, I will go to talk to the judge about it. simple with us. Go to talk to the judge about it. Yeah. You see me? What about your $100, mama? You see me? So you can't tell about it, so I never give back your $100. Well, $100. You know do go already $100 might come a time. If the war ever reach one part where I lick in a face. Then me I war with the part, I live a way, I'm licking their face and reach a part. So I not bother with it. I not bother with the international war, I not bother with it. Because I not nuclear, mama. I not nuclear. But so once a girl in my blood clot state, you have to chat to me right. And internet badness. And I got chat about internet, they see me now, you want to talk nice. No, keep the same energy. Keep the same energy. She knows what me there. I out of them tear for her face. She know me there. I don't think she like that plaza too good. Baba! May I come for your haircut? Alright. West Avenue, Candy Brown, 5th Street, what's that? Should I reach her now? Where should I? Where should I? She not come watch, she's coming to talk. Girl, I know what about, brother. What's about to reach? Me no move. Where she reach? Where should I? When she pull up in the car the live, you see she come talk. You see her? Oh, I never saw that. I can't believe them. You see? Never fail. Oh, my daddy I reach 7:10. Then I'm going to go through custom. So I can reach about 7:30. I have time. I got time. I know the wickedest thing, people, is if I should come over IG, she never hear nobody say Nikki Black say I read. That's the wickedest thing. So I don't know what's her problem. She never come for IG. Because I don't remember if you talk about her, Virgin. God know. Talk about you say what, girl? Eh? Talk about you say what? Talk about you say what, mama? You know the subject, mama. Money is subject. You know the subject. Oh, you for be the blood clot subject. You're subject. Well, back your $100 alone, me now, man. The whole IGC you get back your $100. So I don't know what you're saying, man. That not tell her. The whole IG. I mean, start to take off my clothes from out here. You know where badness go. You see me? You see me? Me start to take off my clothes from out here. But you know the blood clot topic, you idiot. Start to take off my clothes from out here, sir. Right here, sir. Take off all my shirt, panty, and brassiere settings. What I'm doing now? Some girl, man. What's the girl? Fuck with mad nerves. You can't fuck with people there. Chatting to me like me, I'm not chatting to you know. Well, give back $100. Give back $100. And the whole house said me give back $100. I watch now when me leave, she go pull up. But I don't know what our fake page I watch me leave. man leader.
And
When we
some
come on,
things
I'm
and
see
gifted say she don't know you like that.
and in the teeth, Mickey, I. When him teeth, Mickey, I don't know when him left the car, mama, and everything was on the car. But him did at the hospital and the car never left. So it me that talk about, because at the hospital, him did there. No,
No,
mama,
when she
that's his
tell
son,
Gifted
IG.
say
We
you
can't call
call
her
her and
because
I
nobody there.
cry and you tell her everything. Yeah, that girl is weird, bro. Me no say she lie already, you know,
No.
Nikki. You know
It
me.
was on IG, mama.
You know me stay when it come to that, you know.
They never have my IG, I'm other. You see me?
Even other day, me I say, oh, this person I call the same argument. I mean, the tagging. And then me say she Gifted come now with the same argument again now. She has said Gifted get it from YouTube. And now she come back and say,
She
no,
never
wanna
sit there,
sit
she
down.
sit beside
She
the
sit
girl.
on side her. That girl is just weird, dog. She just weird, bro.
Mama,
She too lie.
Mama, all of
But
them people them don't call
thank
out to
God
give me
it
money
got
to
good,
them
you know,
attack you,
Nikki.
know. Because they don't eat from the people them. Say, $100 you give me now. She go to the liquor house, burn down now. And then you go, Ray, what about $100, mama? Nothing another long argument then, that's what about $100. And the whole world see me give back $100.
Tell Gifted for come over Nikki Blocks.
Yeah, the people that before go
I
walk
don't
and
give
show call
you know, but Gifted just a walk around in our one plaza, so she there.
No, listen. When
I
me
go
end the
come try
first
talk
live,
it out. That's
and
all
I
she
try to
gonna
send
do.
the
You're
money,
not
she try
paying
to
the
call
man.
me. But me have to send her back her money. Yeah. Yeah, that's what she do to me all the
Yeah,
time.
she go try
I mean,
talk
just
it
call
over.
it
That's
and
what
say,
she do
so,
to you all the time.
I fun it off.
And you lower her out. That's what me just said. Me say last time, look how Nikki, I'll give the benefit of the doubt. I say again, even when she don't say I lie, say listen. All right, Momo no know me, so Momo can't say that. All right, lower it out. Me see what you do. I should come back
Yeah, she come back
again with
again
it.
now, like, come on, girl. I mean, why you call. I mean, why you call back my phone for IG with that woman. Me know want a friend for you, man. You're wicked. You call me and then still got chat. You're the wickedest thing, you know the worst thing. She can't say nobody ever say I talk about her. I do not talk about that girl.
You don't. You don't. You never do. Even you, me just tell me, say, you know, say Nikki are the last person tell me for low out the girl and me low it out. And every minute she have a style for call my name. So every once in a blue, my answer her blood clot. But you really look for me and say, leave it alone. Just, all right, dead it now. Or this are going too long. I
Yeah,
mean,
she
leave
weird,
it
man.
alone. She just weird.
Wanna go on pink?
Something off wrong with her. Something she off sick, bro.
For real, Kiana. But get, hold on.
Pink,
A
pink,
screenshot, you try to screenshot the conversation. Show the people them say never meet the guy or nothing. Me never beg her nothing, mama.
Bro, this is weird, bro. She just weird. Me know you never beg her nothing. All when time she send me $50 and tell people say, you remember she did tell them say, I me call her cause me say me hungry, me
Mama,
pity
me
them
never beg her
hungry.
nothing, mama.
Like me not born America. How am I pity them for hungry?
Mama, I know people give money. Mama, you still
And so she
beside me, I send money to
stay,
anybody
she
for
just
cash
send
up and
things
give
so
them
me
money.
believe her.
You just see me with my phone. You just see me with my phone.
She just enough.
You see me? You just see me with my phone.
Nah, something wrong with her
Eh?
though.
You
Everybody
just see
else
me
said
with
the
my
same
phone,
thing.
mama.
Somebody else said. Last
I mean,
week,
I look for.
somebody else said too. Somebody
Oh,
else
she
said.
gifted
Me I
you.
say, you want to that girl.
Yes, I mean, she look for.
Gifted is here. You see it? Yeah, may I tell her for that's why she tell me for sure you when she there on the live. Oh, you're rich.
We're outside.
We're
Gifted
outside.
rich.
Mama, we're
Jesus
outside.
Christ. Gifted no, she not gonna pull up. Definitely not gonna pull up.
We're outside.
She's not gonna
Oh, why are them
pull up
pizzas? Nah,
now.
come on the plaza, yeah.
She,
Over the plaza, them pizzas.
Jesus
She's not coming over
Christ.
here.
Bagga TV.
Outside. Thank you so sure about girl, but 11 girl.
He's not
Which
gonna come
one?
outside now, definitely. Right now, me $1,000. Hmm? You can't hear me think. Oh, she has spin.
Let me show you what caused the problem. What on? Let me show you what caused the problem. Come on, know if she think before.
Blood clot, more them say I will up time.
Well, I know. Let me show you. I don't feel like me a fuck girl. Watch it.
Them say me a what?
This is what caused the problem. I don't answer. But my
Me
baby
don't live
them
at
is
Georgia.
not 4 times. See it? Yeah?
Me
Back
don't
to
live
back.
at Florida.
Oh, she not answer a
Yes.
phone call.
Yes, I'm
So
coming
she
up
in her
story.
feelings.
Yes, I look like me and her
Courthouse.
fuck. Yes. Tell me how
I
much.
only for call.
All right. This is what caused feelings.
I only for call.
Well, I know. This is what. And I send me pussy picture. Well, on. See?
Hear the mama come
And I
and
send
go
me
up.
pussy picture.
She like girls.
Me no know.
Cass is
Well, on.
TV.
Let me show you what caused the problem.
I'll post the picture on there
More
and
call
I
again. More call again. More. No,
What?
me everything I want to know. More
Gifted
call
now,
again.
tell me the truth, you know,
More
Nikki. I
call
I'll
got
be
again.
a
from
post
court
the
case
picture
with
over here,
Gifted.
Yeah,
mama.
pack up in a 10.
Gifted, I forgot for your court.
Pack up in a 10.
They
I'll
said
cock up in
Nikki
that
court
I
case, I
went
forgot
prep
keep
there.
with Gifted over here,
This is
cause
the
Gifted
first
now
time you
talk
meet this woman.
truth.
She told
That's
her
what
she
yes,
tell me
yeah,
about
for
this
sure.
woman.
But me see her before, but at first me really talk to her.
Exactly. She tell me about this woman. I don't know about this woman. Pack up
All
in a
them
10
say
and
them
fuck
can't
position.
see.
I'm going to tell
Go
her
take
about my
them come
girlfriend. She
off.
catching her feelings.
The people them say
Oh,
them
you have a
cannot see
girlfriend?
Nikki.
She catching her feelings.
Oh, so she knew us, so you
Yeah.
have a girl. So she come and know you, man.
Yes.
Baga, look how Gifted that talk things
Hey,
now.
I'll be a pussy picture over here. More.
Me tell them earlier, so me know say them a fuck and she a go round the
Murder.
thing cause she no want there with Cashqueen. Cashqueen says she choose her man over
Murder.
Gifted.
I'll be a cock up and go on over here.
No court case I forgot keep over here, so Nikki I forget. Nikki I forget to the bottom of it. What?
No, me never know
Sure.
about could have opened. Come here, let's see her. She don't talk.
And I'm a blood clot girl too. I mean, and she catch up when Cashqueen go friend her up.
So she and the girl them have.
Me don't know.
Oh, when she nearly beat her.
I know she not tell me the story. She not tell me about two and I show me two girls.
Oh, them do wear the t-shirt.
I stand up behind me. I say, Gifted, you got me, some I got you. I stand up behind me.
And when the girl them have on her t-shirt. When her face the bust up, then put her up on the t-shirt. She's not gonna come.
Tell them cannot see. What them looking for?
Yeah, but I write that so. She not come out there, man. Oh, me never know Gifted live here. But me never know so she name Alice that girl. But me don't know how to talk to. And she don't talk. Me never know she talk. When you see her, she don't really talk. She don't talk much. No, she don't talk much. Yeah, charge it to the end. Yeah, excuse me. You know what's like you like you love girls? You know what's a chance of power the girl and me love girls? I saw she has space for the clothes. I saw she and the next one are gonna marry the clothes. Cashqueen might have something you want to tell the people them. So she just reach out. Yes, Cashqueen, you like you love girl. Yeah, well, I get $100. I don't need you, mama. I don't talk to you. I give back your $100.